Today I'm going to show you how to make these Middle Eastern inspired turkey and cremini mushroom kebabs with herby grain salad and yogurt tahini sauce. While usually these kebabs are made using ground beef, I'm going to show you an even more delicious, nutritious, and sustainable version using a blend of ground turkey and cremini mushrooms. To begin, I've roasted these quarter cremini mushrooms in a 425-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until they were cooked through and quite dry. In a food processor, grind the bread quite fine. Remove to a bowl. Next, pulse the roasted mushrooms, the onion, and the garlic. Add the ground turkey, chopped parsley, chopped cilantro, chopped mint, sumac, ground cumin, smoked paprika, ginger, cinnamon, lemon zest, salt and pepper, and an egg to bind it all. Mix this well. Divide the mixture into 3-ounce balls. Next, shape each ball around a skewer into a long oval. Blending meat with mushrooms makes the kebab savory and juicy while also cutting down on calories and food cost. Place the skewers on a parchment-lined sheet pan. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes and up to 1 day in advance to allow the skewers to set. When you're ready, cook them. Spray the kebabs with olive oil and bake in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 6 minutes, just to set them. Next, grill the kebabs on a char grill or grill pan to achieve nice grill marks, brushing with the pomegranate molasses throughout the grilling process. To serve, spoon some yogurt tahini sauce onto a plate. Top with a grain salad, the kebabs, and some warm flatbread. These deliciously tender spiced kebabs are a great entree or shared appetizer.